Hey, what's up guys, my name's Nate J, and today's video is going to be some updates of what's happening in my life. So yeah, I actually wrote it down. So I first want to say I do have social media down in the description below if you want to go check that out. I make other content like on TikTok, on Instagram. I post there a lot, so go check those out down in the description below. Thank you, that means a lot. Also, a like, subscribe, comment on this video, comment some updates happening in your life, because that's always fun to know what other people are up to, you know? Alright, so, the first one. Guess what, guys? We are going on vacation. And guess where? Watch her. She's coming too, by the way. The dogs are invited. We're going to go to a dog-friendly hotel. We're going to have free breakfast bar every morning. Watch this. Where are we going? You ready? Mall of America. Her name is Molly, but I call her Mall all the time. So, Mall of America. Come here, Mall of America. Come here, Mall of America. Hey, Mall of America. Mall of America, because she is Mall of America. She was born in America, and her name is Mall. Mall of America. Mall of America. All right, Molly. All right, Molly. She goes by Mall of America. Is that funny? Because when we started talking about it, we were just talking about it, and next thing you know, she kept going, Mall of America. Come here, Mall of America. Hey, Mall of America. Your name's not Mall of America. Your name is Molly. Molly May, that's your name. I love ya. Alright. She's like, what? And they're coming. That's going to be awesome. We're going to Mall of America in Minnesota, Bloomington, Minnesota. And it's going to be pretty fun. We got a hotel literally pretty close. Like, it's still like a 10-minute drive or something. But, like, that's still close enough so we can go there to the Mall of America in 2 seconds. Dogs are invited. We got a dog-friendly hotel. We're going to go to Mall of America only like one of those days. We're going the 11th through the 14th. So we're going this Monday, and we're leaving Thursday. Like Thursday, I think we got kicked out of, I think we're getting kicked out of the hotel by like 11 a.m. I think that's like the usual standard time. So, like 11 a.m. we might pack up the car and just head places. Like we want to go to like, we like Plato's Closets, if you know what that is. It's like, it's kind of like Goodwill, but like, more name brand clothes, so it's a little more expensive than Goodwill, but it's less expensive than like actually going to where like American Eagle or Hollister. Like I got these at Plato's Closet. They're Hollister. Can you see? They're Hollister, and I got these for $14 at Hollister. These would have been a lot more because they're joggers. So yeah, I got these are the ones here in Iowa. But yeah, it's gonna be cool because we actually searched it, and there's a lot. There's like 5 or 6 next to us, all different directions. Like 10 minutes away from us, all of them are 10 minutes away from all different directions. So it's like, that's gonna be really fun because we love doing that. We got the puppies, so hopefully we are gonna do some fun with them. But the only thing I'm sad about, it's freezing. And Mall of America is only like 2 hours away from where we're at right now. So it's not 2.5, like around there. So it's not that far of a drive. So obviously it's gonna be the same climate. So it's gonna be kind of cold, which I'm really sad about. Like it's rainy, windy, like very windy. Like I'm flying. When I walk outside, I'm like, yeah, dead ass. All right, so that's the first one. Second one, you know my cooking channel on Instagram, I changed it back to Doggy Channel for Mall of America. Come here, Mall of America. I changed it back to Polo and Molly's channel. Well, their pictures, because I have my main one, which is Clayton J. Reeves is my name, my main Instagram account. Go follow that. It'll be down in the description below. Theirs will be down in the description below, and it's just Polo and Molly. I think it's just Polo and Molly. I think that's what I named it. Polo and Molly the Palm or something like that. And yeah, so I just post random pictures of my cute little puppies. Because like cooking's fun, but like putting up my tripod in the kitchen while I'm in the middle of cooking, and then it takes time. Like it should only take me like blah blah minutes to cook something, but since I'm trying to film and get a good angle, it's taking double the time, which I like cooking and stuff. And I will, like, if you guys follow my TikTok and also like Snapchat, and like I'll still post here and there like some cooking stuff or like stuff like that, but like I don't think I'm gonna have my own dedicated Instagram for it because I don't think I do it that much. But I have tons of dog photos in my camera roll that I will love to just post it, you know, because they're so cute. Look at them. We're getting hit up by a lot of dog companies being like, hey, like, you 50% off, you can buy something and we'll sponsor you, blah, blah, blah. So, like, yeah, they're going to be famous someday. Yay. So go check them out. All right. Next one is we got a new pet. So you guys know we have 2 Poms. This one's Molly and Polo's out there. We have 2 pets. We got a couple more. Yeah. I'm going to show you a video of them right now.
Record.
I am.
It's a baby. It can't see. You can go catch it. I'm going to put the dog.
Oh, there they are. There they are. You see them?
Yeah, they are outside pets. Well, I'm like sad, guys. Like I have a heart, you know. So it's freezing out there, and what we do, so it's windy now, so we have like little seats, like little chairs that you take out and sit down on, and then we have like an outside rug that we just got, and it's been too cold that they just blow away, so we like rolled the rug up, threw it right there, threw our chairs on it, and then we realized like at night we see little mice just walking around on our porch, and we realized they're sleeping under there at night. In the morning, they're gone because we lifted up one morning and they weren't there. So obviously in the morning, they go out and eat, feed, go find stuff to do. And at night, they go to bed there because it's too cold. So it's like sad. I mean, I don't know. It's sad. We need to get rid of them, I think. But like, they're just so sad. They're just trying to live their life, you know? I'm definitely not going to like kill them or anything. I think maybe we'll just like take the rug and put it somewhere, so next time they come home they'll be like, oh, we have to find a new home. But that's just so sad. It's too cold. Maybe we'll do it when it warms up because that's kind of sad. Yeah. All right, and the next one is we hit 10K. We hit 10.1K on TikTok. We're at 10.3K, I think, on YouTube. But how awesome is that? 10.1K. We have 10.1K on TikTok. Baby girl. Baby girl. So that's awesome because I'm actually posting a lot more TikToks lately, so go check that out, which is cool. And I think I'm just Clayton J. Reeves on TikTok. So go check that out. It's awesome. And I really love making TikToks. I'm back into making more TikToks. I'm back into posting more Instagram. I'm back into trying to get everything done. It's obviously hard sometimes to post on every single platform when I have a full-time job too. But I'm trying my best, and you know, I'm gonna keep trying because this is awesome. I love making these. I love having you guys comment. I love just making these kind of videos, you know, being able to share my life and not even just share it with you guys, just watching back. Like it's awesome, just rewatching everything. You know, it's pretty cool. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. We're gonna make a lot more vlogs in the next couple days because we only have 3 days before we go Mall of America. Mall of America, come here, Mall of America. Come here, Mall of America. Mall of America. Come here, Mall of America. Why does she go by that? Why do you go by that? That's not your name. Molly. Come here, Molly. Molly May. She's a goofer. She's a goofer. All right, so thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for listening. Comment down some updates that's happening in your life because I would love to know. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.